I'm diving into the PlayStation Network to see if it's down right now. Let's find out together. The PlayStation Network is the backbone of the gaming community, providing gamers worldwide with a platform to connect, play, and access their favorite games and content. For many, it's hard to imagine gaming without it. There's nothing more frustrating than settling in for a gaming session, only to find that you can't connect to the PlayStation Network. When the network is down, it's not just an inconvenience, it can be a total game killer. You can't play online with your friends, you can't access the online features of your favorite games, and you can't even download the latest updates or DLC. In fact, when the PlayStation Network is down, it feels like you're locked out of your own gaming world. You're stuck on the outside, looking in, wondering when you'll be able to get back to the action. And let's not forget about the purchased content you can't access. It's like having a brand new game, but not being able to open the box. But it's not just about the games themselves. The PlayStation Network is also responsible for hosting a huge community of gamers, all of whom rely on it to stay connected and share their experiences. When the network goes down, it's like the lights go out on the entire community. So, how do you know if the PlayStation Network is down? Well, the first step is to check the official PlayStation Network status page, which provides up-to-the-minute updates on the network status. You can also follow PlayStation's social media accounts, which usually provide updates and announcements about any issues. In addition to these official sources, you can also check out community-driven websites and forums, which often provide real-time updates and feedback from other gamers. These can be super helpful in getting a sense of what's going on and when the network is likely to be back up and running. Of course, you can also try checking the status of your own connection, just to make sure the issue isn't on your end. But let's be real, if you're watching this video, you're probably already aware that something's up with the PlayStation Network. So, is the PlayStation Network down right now? As of the time of recording, the answer is insert answer here. If it's down, I feel your pain, and if it's up, well, then it's game on. Either way, it's always a good idea to stay informed about the network status, so you can plan your gaming sessions accordingly. In conclusion, the PlayStation Network is a vital part of the gaming ecosystem, and staying informed about its status is crucial for getting the most out of your gaming experience. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just a casual player, it's essential to know when the network is down and when it's back up and running.